This is a review of the Band-Aid Cushion Care Gaze Pad that I would highly recommend. So basically, if you by any chance get yourself cut or injured, or pretty much, anything that you get yourself pretty much injured, then it states that it's ideal for minor cuts, scrapes, and burns, and it's an extra cushion so you could bounce back up. So basically, it's something above than a normal regular Band-Aid, and it provides a extra cushion, and it prevents from your cuts and scrapes and burns. So it has like a pretty much something that's like a based type of formula where it basically heals the pain, and that prevents any burns that you get when you get injured and cut. Then you can see that it does the job like was intended. So, and it pretty much prevents the burns, scrapes, and any minor cuts that you get. I would highly recommend this over a regular Band-Aid, since it is like a tier above from the regular Band-Aid, and it provides extra cushion and care. And I would highly recommend this since it does, prevents from your skin from getting more bad, as better than, you're pretty much doing a putting on a Band-Aid. This provides more cushion and more protection.